I just sit here and enjoy my day. Have me a nice cup of tea and my lunch. Lord, that must be boy.
Maddie?
Oh, hold on a second.
Good day, I'm coming in.
Good day, boy. How are you?
Good day, I'm good, and you?
I'm well.
That's
All
good.
is
Do you
well.
like my new suit?
Look nice. Mighty fine linen there.
Well, is you gonna offer me a seat?
Have a seat, bud.
All right, let me try to sit down here.
Take your
Oh,
time.
Jesus, my hat child.
Take your time.
Lord have mercy.
Uh-huh.
Sure it is hot outside.
Yes, it is.
Well, Maddie,
Yes.
what is you doing?
Well, why is you? What's it
What
concerning
is you doing sitting here with a half a plate, a half a piece of bread, and a half of a cup? Reading half of a newspaper.
I'm reading. I'm enjoying my day, boy. If you must know well, I'm cutting back.
Cutting back.
Had to. Times are hard. Had to cut back. Can't do it like you used to, boy.
Lord have mercy. Maddie,
Uh-huh.
you cutting back to the point where you having half of everything. Lord have mercy. Times is... I know, we ain't in no recession no more, Maddie. We is in session.
Well, that ain't what I heard. Last I heard, we was in recession, so
No,
I
change,
cut back.
change done come. Change done come. You ain't heard?
Well, show me.
Now here you go, honey. Read your whole newspaper.
Well,
Put that down. Read you a whole newspaper, and I'm gonna get you a full glass of tea.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, boy. But you know, I like to know everything. I knew I was missing out on some news, just half a paper.
We gonna have us a full glass of tea.
Oh, thank you.
Cause we's in session.
You know what,
We's in
buddy?
session now.
Now, I put on my good hat.
Put it on, honey.
Put on my
And we
good
gonna
hat.
drink to that.
I'll
Amen.
drink to that.
Amen. All right. Lord have mercy.
You know what's most important?
What's that?
Family, friends, and love and one another.
Amen.
That's
And you know
what's
what
important.
else?
Yes.
What's missing? A little something to put in this tea. A little spirit.
Oh, Lord.
Seagram's, Hennessy, something. You know I'm just teasing. I'm teasing.
Now,
now.
boy, you sure is a mess.
But anyway, I drink to that.
Yes, I will.
All right.
All right.